Welcome.
Good morning, Peter. Thank you for having me. Yes, of course. So my name is Ben Whitemore, and I'm the Technical Product Manager here at Garland UK. And I look after our liquid applied membranes and also our bituminous membranes, as well as our solar panel systems and green roofing. And I guess a bit about Garland UK. Garland are a provider of high performance waterproofing membranes, and we work across a number of sectors such as healthcare, education, and say commercial. And we typically work with a number of people such as surveyors, architects, specifiers, and facilities managers.
Lovely stuff. Nice little synopsis there, which is great. All right, let's get into the detail here. What products are we talking about today?
So today, Peter, we're going to be talking about Stress Ply Signature, which is our premium bituminous SPS modified membrane. It's 5.5 mm thickness, high tensile strength, and it's a product we offer a 30-year guarantee on.
Wow, fantastic. Some really high spec there, 5 mm and 30-year guarantee. That's fantastic. Right, okay. The bit that I want to know, though, because that's kind of the specification, but what's the importance of this product within the construction industry?
Yeah, of course. So I guess the key important thing for us is the longevity of this product, particularly. Something we're trying to tackle at the moment is associated with carbon and CO2 emissions, and ultimately carbon life cycle. So a product such as Stress Ply Signature, where we've achieved, thankfully, a durability in excess of 35 years. That means we're not going back to site 4 or 5 times in that life cycle to replace the roof, such as you would be with a 10-year life cycle system. As replacing a roof takes a huge amount of time, effort, and CO2 emissions associated with that. So for us, that's the key point with this product.
Okay, fantastic. So some really good benefits there, hugely important for multiple reasons, like you said. So what's the point in getting a BBA agreement certification? Why go through that process?
Yeah, of course. So for us, the BBA agreement certificate is now an expectation from our clients. And if our clients expect it, we need to make sure we're achieving that. And the BBA offers an independent verification on the longevity and quality of our systems. And therefore, that gives us ourselves confidence and also our clients reassurance on the quality of our products. So achieving that quality and that certification is incredibly important to us.
Okay, fantastic. And I suppose in a competitive market, that's again massively important because it's that impartial viewpoint that provides you that added benefit of getting that information from somebody else that you're not just saying.
Completely, I completely agree, Peter. It gives us that competitive edge in the marketplace, which is incredibly important to us.
Okay, excellent. So this product then, have you got any examples of where it's being used? Can you provide any examples?
Yes, of course. The one key project for us, I guess, would be Oldley Park. There's a significant renovation that was done recently. It was previously headquarters of AstraZeneca. And the client was after a long-term or a long service life product, simply because the high amount of roofing plants they had on the roof. It's incredibly expensive to remove plants and reinstate it. So therefore, our instruction was, a long service life product to minimise the amount of items moved on the roof. So we designed a tapered insulation scheme, and we used Stress Ply Signature as our cap sheet.
You're taking me back here, Ben, because I used to work in roofing and flat roofing. Yep. So all this stuff's fantastic to hear, which is really cool. Tapered schemes and 5 mm thickness and guarantees and stuff. It's really good. Okay, so just moving a little bit forward and looking more at the BBA in particular. You said it's important to have the agreement certificate or certification or impartial accreditation, if you like. But why choose the BBA?
Well, for us here at Garland UK, and again, probably our clients, BBA is the benchmark for testing and improving quality of certain products. And therefore, that recognition for our clients holds a huge amount of weight. And it holds a huge amount of weight in the industry. I already mentioned the competitive edge. And having that competitive edge by having agreement certificate with the BBA is incredibly important. But I think it's that benchmarking specifically and that industry known. That's incredibly important. And that's why we work with the BBA on a number of our products, not just Signature.
Yeah, and that's great to hear that you keep coming back, which is fantastic. So, although you keep coming back, what's the experience been like with working with the BBA?
The experience has been positive, Peter. I mean, what
Okay.
the BBA are so good at doing for us is setting out very clear instructions and a very clear timeline with what each of our projects with you guys will be. And that gives us a clear timeline to track and know when key milestones happen. And I think usually we get issued a Gantt chart. And having that clear instruction, that clear process is incredibly important to us because we can start to plan for that here. And the BBA are very good at doing that.
Okay, fantastic. Right, final question then, and final thoughts really. What does achieving this agreement certification mean to yourself and the business from a wider perspective?
Of course. It enables us to promote all of our products, all the products we have with the BBA as an agreement certificate with a huge amount of confidence, knowing that it's gone through rigorous testing through the BBA. Again, I mentioned the test mark for the benchmarking for test standards. And like I said, many of our products are accredited with the BBA, and ultimately our goal is to continue to push industry standards. And by having the BBA's backing on a number of our products, that certainly helps us to do that.
Okay, fantastic. Ben, thank you so much for your time. Really interesting to hear the benefits, the features of the product, the reason it exists, the reason you've chosen the BBA, and the fact that you keep coming to get the BBA agreement certifications, which is a huge part of the construction industry and the marketplace in general. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Pleasure, Peter. Thank you.